Oh wow, look at this jackfruit. Oh. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, because of this weather, it's raining season now in Thailand, but it's still hot, so I'm thinking, you know, making coconut ice cream with sticky rice, and since we have the jackfruit, we're gonna have jackfruit with it. So the market on the wheels is here. We're gonna go and buy some coconut. มีข้าวเหนียวมะม่วงไหมจ๊ะเอ้ยข้าวเหนียวมูน Okay, we got the coconut cream, 4 bottle for 100 baht. If you go buy in 7-Eleven or you go buy in the market, this end up maybe on sale. It's just 15 baht per each box, but you know, it's hot, so it's worth it. We're gonna eat the whole house. So now we're gonna go get the sticky rice. Okay, because I don't have the sticky rice, so I'm gonna steal my auntie sticky rice. Use the sticky rice.
เราไปทำเยอะไปซื้อเขามันไอ้นี่มันแพงนี่มันถึงที่ไหนก็เขาว่า
พอแล้ว
เขาไม่น้อย
And this is the jackfruit. ขนุน in Thailand. Oh, look how big it is. Huge, yeah? ขนุน Let me try. Is it sweet or not? So crispy and so sweet. This one is natural. We don't put any what's it called? I speak in Thai, pui, to make the fruit go sweet or make the fruit go faster, but it is natural. Alright, so I get everything prepared. I'm gonna teaching you how to do coconut ice cream with 4 ingredients. Today is quite hot. It's raining season now, but it's very hot. This morning my uncle, he just cut off the fresh jackfruit. So I think jackfruit. I'm gonna make sticky rice too, and we're gonna have it with coconut ice cream, and we're gonna have my niece coming over. So I think it would be a good idea to make them the ice cream. So only have 4 ingredients. First you need to get coconut milk, sugar, this sugar, and then corn powder, salt. If you have pandan leaf or vanilla extract, you can add them, but I don't have that. Just 4 ingredients is fine. I'm not gonna be telling you how to cook mango and sticky rice because I already did 2 videos already. So if you want to know how to make them, please check the link here. And all the ingredients is under the description. In the description. I don't know how to pronounce that word. I'm not gonna be cooking with the charcoal now. I just have electronic stove here. So first thing first, get the coconut milk and then separate them just a little bit in the corn flour. And then mix them first. And by the way, I just bought this low sodium salt. Is 60% less sodium. So far I've been eating a lot of sodium because Thai food it have a lot of sodium. So what I do is I just mix everything. So mix the corn powder with the coconut milk together until the coconut powder is gone. And then add your sugar in. You want to add everything out of the pan first. Mix. Okay. Stir them together and then add just a little bit of salt, just a pinch of it. Not much. Stir them. My nephew, my niece gonna come over today, so I think it would be nice for them to have some ice cream while they're watching the cartoon. Put the pan on the heat. You don't want to cook them, just enough until the sugar is melt. Add them in. The coconut start to get like a beautiful smell coming out from it. Alright, while we wait for the coconut to get a little bit bubbling, so when it starts to cook a little bit, turn the heat off and put it on rest until the coconut milk is... What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? So that is normal to grab the cat. You distracting me. You distracting me. You distracting me, dude. It's just bubbling a little bit now. We're just gonna turn the heat off and put it on rest until it's cooled down, so we can put it in the box and then put it in the freezer and let it set for 3 to 4 hours. Alright, it's warm up, so I'm gonna add it in the box carefully. We're gonna put it in the freezer for 3 hours. 3 hours, I'm gonna open the box and I'm gonna check if it's hot enough, and then we're gonna blend it and then freeze it more. See you later. Alright, it has been 3 hours and then we're gonna check. I haven't looked at them yet. Gonna check how it's going. Ice cream. It's dark now, probably have to eat tomorrow. Oh, it's still creamy. I think we have to freeze more. Oh, but look at that textures. Oh my god. I think we have to wait for more. Another 1 hour more. But I think, I mean, if you don't have to blend it, you don't need to. Let me try a little bit. Oh wow. So coconutty. Wow. Okay. So let's see. Whoa. Oh, it's quite hard. I have to put it in the rest because it's overnight and my freezer very, very cold. So we're gonna rest it and then we're gonna blend it later. I use the knife to cut into like little pieces, and I don't have the big blender, but I have this one, like for food scissors. What is it called? That thing. So I think we see if it works or not. Right, this one did not work. It got stuck in the blender, but I have this small blender shake that I have like for blending my shake in the morning, and it's worked so good. So you want to blend it until it's got creamy textures like this. I'm gonna add it in. I'm gonna make the plain coconut ice cream. The next one I'm gonna add jackfruit in it. Alright, the last one. This is gonna be for my auntie. They love this thing mixed with jackfruit. Alright, I've been freezing for about 2-3 hours, and we're gonna try scoop this ice cream. So I don't have this ice cream scooper, I have the spoon. I'm gonna try it to work. Oh, look at that! Ice cream! It worked just fine. Look. Wow. god. Yay! Yeah, I got coconut ice cream, and we have sticky rice right here. I'm gonna add there condensed milk on top of it. Oh, there you go, the coconut ice cream. So the one with the jackfruit give the textures like it's like so icy, so not smooth. It melts fast. ละลายหมดแล้ว
ทำไมล่ะ
ลองชิมให้หน่อย
ทำไมมันละลายไป
ก็หนูเดินหาป้าเมื่อกี้เนี้ยใส่ขนุนด้วยอันที่ไม่ใส่ขนุนมันเป็นเนื้อเหมือนไอศครีมแต่ว่าอันที่ใส่เนื้อขนุนมันเป็นไงอร่อยไหม1-10ให้กี่คะแนน
มันไม่อร่อยตรงไอติมมันละลายไปสักคน
ก็หาอยู่เมื่อกี้เนี้ยแต่ว่ามันละลายเร็วนะเอาไปสิกินหมดเลยอร่อยไหมกี่คะแนน10ป้าทำอะไรน่ะ
หวานมันจะทอดไก่
อ๋อทอดไก่ This is my antique kitchen. That's before it used to be like a room. That's where like when I was just newborn, like 1 year old, I used to sleep over there. But now they take all the wood out. ให้คะแนนหนูด้วยว่าลองชิมดูว่ามันกี่คะแนน
คะแนนเต็มเท่าไหร่
คะแนนเต็ม10ข้างล่างมีแบบเป็นขนุนข้างบนแบบไม่ขนุน My auntie her hand is shaking เต็ม10ให้เท่าไหร่
10นึงหวานมันอร่อย
Okay, I got 10 out of 10. Alright, the kid is here and I'm gonna let them try the ice cream. Cha! ไอติมกินไอติมพี่เอิร์กพี่เอาลองชิมอร่อยไหมอร่อยชาชอบไหม
อร่อย
ยัมมี่
แป้งข้าวโพดอ่ะมันต้องฟังพี่เอง
เมื่อกี้ชายังไม่ได้บอกพี่เลยไอติมพี่อร่อยไหมให้กี่คะแนนเต็ม10ไหม
เต็ม10ไหม
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10เลขไหนฮะเลขไหนอ๋อ
พอมากไม่งั้นโดนพี่กินตับ